My struggle before starting this program was with food, cravings, and my relationship with food. And I think a big hesitation was because I was in a battle with myself with food and exercise, and I almost didn't want to address my struggles. Through this program, I have accomplished a lot. I have slimmed down pretty well. I feel stronger and overall a better well-being, as well as my cardio. I have significantly improved in that aspect, which I am really happy about. 10 out of 10, Adam is the best. I would recommend him to anyone who asked me. I would also say that my relationship with food is very much improved, and just with the education on food, it has really helped me feel better about food and myself.